Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about CUET UG Syllabus 2024. Let's check the CUET UG exam highlights 2024. The exam name is Central University Common Test and the level is national level. The exam conducting body is NTA. The mode of exam will be computer based test and the exam duration is 45 minutes for each slot, additional 15 to 20 minutes for maths and accounts. The question type will be multiple choice question and the application mode is online. And the exam language consists 13 languages and the offered courses are UG and PG course in central and state universities. Let's check the CUET UG marking scheme. +5 for each correct answer, -1 for each incorrect answer, 0 for unanswered question. And the official website is cuet.samarth.ac.in. Let's check the CUET syllabus UG 2024 highlights. In Section 1 Language, Section 1A and Section 1B, topics are reading comprehension based on different types of passages like literary, narrative and factual, literary aptitude and vocabulary. In Section 2nd, domain-specific subject consists MCQ will be based on the Class 12 syllabus. Section 3 Journal test consists general knowledge, current affair, journal mental ability, numerical ability, quantitative reasoning, simple application of basic mathematical concept or algebra, geometry, mensuration and stat taught till grade 8, logical and analytical reasoning. Let's check the CUET syllabus 2024 for languages. Section 1A consists Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Gujarati, Odia, Bengali, Assamese, Punjabi, English, Hindi, Urdu. Section 1B consists French, Spanish, German, Nepali, Persian, Italian, Arabic, Sindhi, Sanskrit, Kashmiri, Konkani, Bodo, Dogri, Maithili, Manipuri, Santhali, Tibetan, Japanese, Russian, Chinese. Let's check the CUET syllabus 2024 for journal test. Current affair consists national, international current affair. General knowledge consists awards and honors, books and authors, countries and capitals. Journal polity, Indian history, international movement, important days, science and technology, science inventions and discoveries, sports, etc. In journal mental ability consist analogies, blood relation, classification, coding and decoding, direction test, judgment and reasoning letter, and symbol series, logical and analytical reasoning, mirror and water images, non-verbal series, statement and argument, statement and conclusion, etc. In numerical ability till grade 8 consist algebra, application of mathematics, boards and streams, geometry, HCF and LCM, mensuration, 2D and 3D, number system, partnership, percentages, probability, problems on train, profit and loss ratio and proportion, simplification, approximation, statistics, time and work, etc. In quantitative reasoning, the arithmetic number series, arithmetic reasoning, data interpretation, data sufficiency, number series, problem solving, problems on age, etc. In logical and analytical reasoning, the subject consists analogies, cause and effect, logical deduction, series, statement and conclusion, verbal and non-verbal reasoning, etc. Let's check the CUET syllabus 2024 for commerce. It consists accountancy, business studies, economics or business economics, entrepreneurship. Let's check the CUET art subject. Art, education, sculpture, geography, history, home science, knowledge, tradition, legal studies, mass media or mass communication. Performing art, physical education, political science, psychology, Sanskrit, sociology, teaching aptitude. Let's check the CUET syllabus 2024 for science students. CUET science subjects are biology, chemistry, computer science, engineering, graphics, environmental studies, mathematics, physics. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.